What's good, everybody? Today we'll be working on that one right there. 1998 SLK 230 compressor. And today we'll be doing the tune-up. I have my tools out, the tools you're gonna need. And that's all the stuff we'll do the unboxing too. What you're gonna need. Set an alley, no wrenches. Spark plug, socket, ratchet. Let's open the box right now. See all that stuff that we got. Sorry, I'm doing all this with one hand, but here we got plugs and wires. Got our spark plugs, which is Bosch. Y'all see, Bosch spark plugs. We're gonna be using those. Let's see. Let me open this. Let me open this to see. This probably got wires and sorry about that. Sorry about the camera work. I'm doing it with one hand, but let's see what we got. It's gotta be our wires and our, yep, our wires and our, yep, wires in there. Now what we call this to go on the engine. Y'all can see, so let's get started. Hit y'all back when I'm underneath the hood. Okay, now that we're underneath the hood of the SLK, first thing first, what we need to do is we gotta take these 3 screws off the compressor emblem, engine emblem. So I'm gonna get my alley wrenches and be right back and take those 3 off. So there we got our compression engine emblem cover off with 3 bolts. So next we come over here and we're gonna take off these wires and these wires down here. And then you have to make sure to know which wires go which. You know what I'm saying? This was a shorter one, this one is a longer one. So unhook that one, unhook that one, and come back. Unhook this one, unhook that one. Now they go in that hole and that hole. Then we're gonna go to our ratchet set. Take off those bolts for the coil packs. I'll take the coil packs off next. Okay, got the ignition coils off, so I can see down in there. Next is the spark plugs. That last ignition coil right there, gotta take off, and then we put the new ones in there. Okay, we got all the coil packs off. Now it's time go in, get those spark plugs down there, take them out, put the new Bosch ones in. So as y'all can see, got one out. This is the end result. Y'all can see that. See it right there. But ain't looking too bad, but we're just gonna go and throw some new ones in there. You know, get it popping, make sure everything new, you know what I mean? Okay. New spark plugs in there. All in there. So next is the new coil packs. We'll put those on next. And then button it up, put all the wires back, and then she should be good to go. Got all the coil packs and the wires in. As you can see, she's running smoothly. No hiccups. You know what I'm saying? So, we're gonna put the cover back on her and button her up. And that should be it. And everything complete. She running smooth as silk, smooth as butter. And that's the tune-up on the SLK 230 compressor. Next, we'll be doing the tune-up on the C230 compressor over there. So y'all stay tuned, man. This is Whipz. Kills the loose signing out. It's about to rain. So I'm gonna go in the house. I'll holler at y'all.